Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today is a special day because I've just taken delivery of my brand new 2021 race bike from the guys over Intense. I've not put out a video for 2 to 3 weeks. That's because my old bike went back to Intense and they sent me out a new one. But it's been in transit for about 4 weeks, been caught up in all of this COVID and Brexit nonsense. But today it's arrived and I am so goddamn stoked to get it built. So, what is it? Intense are actually going to send me a few bikes this year, but what arrived today is the brand new INTENSE Sniper FRO. FRO standing for racing only, and it's the top of the range INTENSE Sniper XC, built and designed purely for cross-country racing. Let's get it unboxed. Whoa, yeah! Oh, I mean, it's a fair bit covered in protective padding and paper. Let's get it in the stand and get it unwrapped. This bike, it comes pretty stacked with components right out the box, but we are going to make a few upgrades and put a few sponsor components on. Firstly, we're going to swap the saddle out for a Physique Entre carbon fibre saddle just to save that extra few grams. We're going to put on these HT Leopard M1 pedals. We're going to swap the crankset out for a TORQ power meter crankset. Racing and training on this bike all the time, it's absolutely essential for me to have access to my power data. No build would be complete without some Halo Vapor cross-country wheel sets decked out with Schwalbe Tyres. Let's get into it. There we are guys, build complete, and she's an absolute beauty. I am going to do a separate video where I go in depth on the bike, talk you through the spec and components and give you an in-depth review. But right now I just can't wait to ride, so I'm going to get kitted up and get out there. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments or questions, get them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.